Hello chemistry fans, and welcome your faces back to chemistry problem solving session here at the Academic Success Center here on Broward College North Campus. I am your host, Dr. Russell Betts, and I'll be guiding you through this problem today. Problem 3. Consider the following peptide. So here we have a small peptide. Circle the peptide bond. Draw the products of hydrolysis of this peptide. So there's that word hydrolysis again. Water cutting. All right. Circle the peptide bond. Well, the peptide bond that's an amide bond that connects, that bonds or connects two amino acids. That is a peptide bond. Now, all peptide bonds are amide bonds, but not all amide bonds are peptide bonds. A peptide bond connects amino acids. So a peptide bond is an amide bond that connects two amino acids. Okay? So here's my amide bond. I put a square around it. I guess I'm supposed to circle it, right? There we go. A little bit more circular in my square. So that's my peptide bond. The hydrolysis of a peptide bond will give me two amino acids. Okay? Hydrolysis of a peptide bond will give me two amino acids. Or we'll break an peptide bond into two. So we're going to break that bond right there. Okay? Now, when you break a peptide bond, a peptide bond breaks to give carboxylic acid and an amine. Okay? So we're going to break that peptide bond. We're going to get a carboxylic acid and an amine. Okay? So that's all from here. Everything I've drawn right there comes from there. Okay? Now, this oxygen here is that oxygen right there. Okay, it comes from water. Plus there we go. And hydrogen. Amine. Now, the peptide bond broke to give me a carboxylic acid and an amine. Okay? Now, these are both amino acids. Don't confuse that. These are both amino acids. A peptide bond gives you amino acids. A peptide bond hydrolysis will give you amino acids eventually. Okay? But when you break that bond, you get an acid and an amine right here and here. Okay? They're both still amino acids. But what I mean by the carboxylic acid and the amine, I mean here and here. Okay? This bond broke in two, giving me a carboxylic acid and an amine. One more time. The peptide bond broke, gave me a carboxylic acid and an amine right here and here. All right, guys? All right. Now this is a complicated question. It's very, very difficult. I hope now that you've seen it, you'll be able to recognize a peptide bond, be able to circle or put a square around it or whatever, and then be able to know the products of breaking that bond in two. An amide bond or a peptide bond will always give you a carboxylic acid and an amine. Okay? All right. Now with that, I wish you good luck and good chemistry.